Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you create slash commands into your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application and then just simply go over the settings of the server for which you would like to create the slash commands, and then you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to open this integrations section, and after opening the integrations you just simply have to select the app for which you would like to create these slash commands. Now I have these boats and application. I'm opening this MEE6 boat. Now after coming into this page, you will get to see this option of commands directly. Now in here, you just simply have to select the command which you would like to enable. Just simply tap to that command. For example, I have this imagine command here, and then you have to add roles or members in here. You can select all of the roles that you have into your server. Just simply tap to add button after selecting, and similarly you can do that to channels also. Simply do that too and tap to add button, and then you can enable or disable this anytime according to your need. Just simply do that and tap to save button, and then this command will successfully be added to your server. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.